Okay guys, good morning. Alright, so we have a little bit of a different style for you today. We have 4 major stations. Each station is 12 minutes. Kind of like an AMRAP, as many rounds as possible. Okay? Each station will have 4 exercises that you're going to go through. So you're going to go for the reps, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just going to keep on going through until the timer is up, and then we're going to rotate. Now, one caveat is that you can substitute any station for cardio day. That means 12 minutes of straight cardio. You would do 2 6-minute rounds for any one of these stations. The other option is, let's say you're doing this TRX station and you've done it for 6 minutes, you're done, you could go hit the cardio deck for the remainder of 6. So each station can essentially be 6 minutes on, 6 minutes on. So you could hit the cardio deck at least 4 times. Okay, so it's up to you. You could stay here for all the 12. You could stay there for all of one of the 6s, or you can go 6 and 6. Does that make sense? Cool. You can even start your 6 over there and then finish your last 6 over here. All right. So let's go through our stations. First one is TRX tricep extension. So this whole station is everything right here. You see at the front. All right. So your tricep extensions are right here. My arms are straight. I fall forward and I push away. I'm keeping my arms up high, elbows up high, engaging my core as well as the back of my arms. Just don't let those elbows go out. The second one is slider reverse lunges, okay? So there's 2 options with this exercise too. You could do, everything feels like it's like sticky now because it's all working here. So if these don't work too well, you can just do reverse lunges. So you're gonna go 12 by 12. If that isn't working, you can always do something. Sometimes you can even take the bands, and the bands will slide if you do the fabric bands. All right, so when you lean back here, you're down, it's like, I don't want you to stand totally up. I like you to lean back and tuck it under. So slide, tuck. You'll have 12 on the right, 12 on the left. Another option, if you don't want to do sliders, I really enjoy these. I put one foot in the bottom of both handles, okay, here, and let it glide you back, and then lift. So glide back, I'm rocking, and then lift. So that's also a really good way to do it. So that could be instead of slider lunges. All right, EQ abducts or swings. So you can do the abducts, which are here, where I center my weight over, feet are behind, lift up, tap back. Okay, lift up, tap back. If that's too hard on your hands or you don't like it, you could do the swing kicks. Okay. And the third or the fourth one is going to be side swing over. So that is where you do this over, I'll lean to the side, up, over, up, over. Okay? So those are the 4 exercises there. All the reps of the stone rope. Next one here. Seated lat pull down. Alright, so have a seat. Right here. Pull it down like this. We only have 2, 4, 6, 8. We can also work in the bar, the straight bar, because we're a small class today, which I like. The straight bar, I'll have you sit in the middle, grab the bar, we'll bring it down like this. Probably do that, because I really like to do the bar. Alright, seated lat pull down, or you're on the handles. Okay, the second one is a sit back. Okay, so like this, that's why I put the pads back here. You can do your sit backs like this with the pads. Alright, the third exercise is a box squat. Okay, the bench is a little higher if you need to do it off the bench. And the last one are calf raises. You can come here. You can actually even use this for your calf raises. Okay, I'll put a plate here where your feet are off the plate. You can weight them. Do weighted calves. Alright, so if you have a partner in your station, maybe just offset your timing so you both can utilize the Smith machine. Alright, in the back. Tire hammer slams. Alright, 10 by 10. Sleds. Alright, you're going to run the sleds. Okay, we have slam ball or rope slam. Okay, so rope slams would be with rope where you would slam here. Obviously, then I would probably move over just to make room for the sleds. Slam ball, I'll give this ball, we just slam the heavy ball. And side bag kick, which I will move. It's side, just like that. When you hit on the side of the bag, I don't don't want you to like literally kick it. I want you to hit it with this part of your foot. Okay, so I'm turning and hitting it right here, like that. All right, side back kick. And last station is over with the benches. You're gonna have bench hopovers. All right, so that's these where I put my hands here. I hop, hop. You can also go one at a time. Okay. Ab swing up with the crunch down. So swing down with the crunch up. So you're here, and you swing up and drop. Up, drop. If you can't do that, you can just stay here and not bring your upper body off the bench. The third exercise is an ab mat leap and hop back. So we haven't done this in a while. Maybe I'll have more room this way for this one. So what this is side to side over your mat. Okay? And then I low hop back. If you can't low hop back, you can also go side to side like this. Okay? And then you can also squat. Low squat, walk back. All right, so you have 5 of them. Up and back is 1. And then run, stance, jump is this. You can fold your mat over, knee down, power out like this. If you need assistance with the TRX, you can just take it back. Okay. If you can, try to make a little hop off that foot. If you can't go all the way down, just go back as low as you can. But the whole point is to see, can you do a one-legged jump? Be it half an inch, whatever you can get. Any questions? Cool.